Hey all, welcome to the Chocolate Therapist Kitchen Club. I'm Julie. Today we are going to be making Godiva's Flourless Chocolate Torte out of the box, only way better. Now if you follow the Chocolate Therapist, you know that I have my own chocolate shop and you're probably wondering, why am I endorsing another brand? Two reasons. First of all, we don't have a flourless chocolate torte and this is gluten-free, by the way, and this is actually really good, although I'm going to show you how to make it way better. Secondly, I just love chocolate. Why would you hone down to just your own brand, right? It'd be like a brewery drinking only their own beer and never trying anything else. I just love chocolate. So we're gonna do Godiva's Flourless Chocolate Torte today, and I am going to show you how to make it better than even they ever imagined. First of all, these are the things you're gonna need. A box of Flourless Chocolate Torte by Godiva, which you can just buy in the grocery store. And in that box, you will get the cake mix, the sauce that you're supposed to put on top, although we won't be doing that, and then the little pan. So very easy. Now the things I'm gonna add that are not in there that you also wanna maybe set aside, some organic cocoa powder. I'm using Cacao's. This is on our website and links are below. I'm also using the Chocolate Therapist Dark Chocolate Raspberry Chocolates. We're gonna be making the sauce out of this. I'm adding a little extra vanilla. I'm using Watkins vanilla. This is one of my favorites because it tastes so good. And then fresh raspberries. That's all you're gonna need. Oh, and 2 eggs and butter. That's part of the recipe, right? 2 eggs, I have them already in here. Butter, I already have it melted right here. So, step 1, let's just jump right into it here. You wanna melt the butter. I've already done that in the microwave, and it's 1/3 cup of butter. And then you're going to add the cake mix and stir. This is really pretty basic, right? You're just following the directions. And stir it up. Now after you stir it, you're supposed to put this whole thing in the microwave. That's just their technique. You add butter, cake mix, and throw it in the microwave for 20 seconds. All right, so this has been in the microwave now for 20 seconds. Now I'm gonna add the eggs, 2 eggs, which I've already blended together into the mix. And one thing that I'm gonna do extra right now that doesn't call for on the Godiva recipe, I'm gonna add in just a little tiny bit of water, little baby bit of water, maybe like 1 teaspoon, because we're gonna be adding cocoa powder. Now I really do like this flourless torte and it's pretty good, but I don't know if you follow along the Chocolate Therapist. Everything we do is all natural, no dyes, no preservatives. We're really into the way things taste. So for me, I needed to add a little extra cocoa powder, which is why I suggested getting this organic cocoa powder, because it needs just a little bit more cocoa power, punch, you know what I'm saying? Something that makes it just a little richer and deeper. And that's also the reason I'm putting a little bit of vanilla in as well. And when I say a little bit, you can put like a 1/4 teaspoon. I just dump it in. I just kind of go with it how I feel. So then you just mix it all together. All right, so I've been stirring this now for a couple of minutes. It actually says to stir it 1 minute until very well blended, but you're gonna see after 1 minute, it is not very well blended. So you're gonna have to stir it a little bit longer. So what we have in here, remember, it's the mix, the butter, 2 eggs, cocoa powder, a little bit of vanilla, and now that's going straight into the pan, and we're gonna be baking it for about 28 minutes at 375 degrees. Then when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to make a different type of sauce, because they do add this ganache sauce in there that you can just heat up. They say put it in a bowl, don't microwave it, and then kind of spread it all over the cake. But when we put this on, it was way too sweet. We didn't like it. It was too thick, too sweet. So I'm gonna show you how to throw this out and make it even better chocolate raspberry sauce for the top of your flour chocolate torte. All right, I'm back. The cake is finished. It's right here. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take it. I just took it out of the oven, cooled it for a little while, put it on this plate. Now I'm just gonna take the pan off. It also has this strip that needs to be removed right here. And you can see you have beautiful gluten-free flourless chocolate torte from Godiva. Now, as I was mentioning, they give you a ganache packet that you're supposed to melt down and pour over this. However, too sweet, too thick, kind of missed the mark. So I decided to take some of our raspberry meltaways, which are just pure chocolate infused with organic raspberry oil, and a little tiny bit of coconut oil to help soften them up a little bit, and melt them down, which I've already done, melted in the microwave. I'm not going to go through that because melting chocolate, just don't do it too fast, too long, 20 seconds at a time until it was melted. I'm just going to drizzle that right on top, back and forth, and make a beautiful light chocolate sauce on this. And then I'm going to add fresh raspberries. Not suggested on the Godiva package, but absolutely something you should do. This makes an amazing dessert. So there you have it. Godiva's flourless chocolate tart, only way better, right? We added cocoa powder. We melted our own raspberry chocolate. We added fresh raspberries. That's what the Chocolate Therapist is all about. All natural, no dyes, no preservatives. You can buy these raspberries and other meltaways, by the way, on our website under the wine pairing chocolate section. You might like black cherry, you might want sangria, you might want lemon, who knows, whatever you want, melt it down, add it to your flourless tart. Thanks for tuning in to Chocolate Therapist TV today, and remember all the links for everything I use are down below. And if you like the station, please subscribe because we're always doing something fun, interesting, unique with chocolate. So join us and I'll catch you on the next episode.